Imagine waking up, opening your laptop to start your routine, only to find a cold, single message on the screen. Thank you for your service. Your digital twin has taken over. In 2025, this isn't science fiction. It's a daily reality in the shadow offices of Silicon Valley. 2025 was the year of the breaking point. Big tech giants laid off over 150,000 employees, while budgets for agentic AI exploded by 400%. Welcome to Mind of Giants, where we decode the secrets of the future. Stop blaming technology and look in the mirror. The truth you fear is that you weren't just an employee. You were an unpaid teacher. For years, every keystroke you made, every idea you deposited in your email was cold-bloodedly used to build the digital gallows for your job. Big companies weren't just collecting data. They were draining your professional soul to package it into code that knows no fatigue and knows nothing about you. Here comes the most terrifying term in Silicon Valley: digital twin. Imagine a software version of yourself, possessing your experience, speaking in your style, and thinking with your logic. But it doesn't need a salary, health insurance, or sleep. These copies are not just simulations, but rather the new employee who never complains, waiting behind the screen to replace you at the push of a button. For tech giants, the equation is simple. Humans represent risk and emotion, while silicon represents efficiency and certainty. When productivity increased by 400% using artificial intelligence, emotion became a financial burden. We are now facing a new reality where power does not belong to those who possess knowledge, but to those who possess the algorithm that has taken over that knowledge. The question is no longer when this will happen. The question is, if a machine is capable of doing your job perfectly, what will become of you? Are we the masters of this technology, or are we just data used to build our replacements? Always remember, artificial intelligence will not replace you, but the person who masters the use of artificial intelligence will. Don't be a victim of change, be the giant who drives it. If you are ready to be among the few who lead this future, rather than the majority who are forgotten, you have come to the right place. Subscribe now, turn on your notifications, and join the minds of giants. Write the word giants in the comments to let us know you have learned your lesson. Remember, the future does not wait for the indecisive.